Really windy today, guys. Oh, already? Already?
Okay.
Wow. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're back on the Detroit River. As you can see, I'm just making it out to one of my main spots right now. We'll be trying to do some straight fishing. Just regular old fishing, the way it is. Whatever I catch is whatever I catch. Not going for any species, but I'm gonna land something. So let's get fishing. Sheephead sleigh, anything sleigh, doesn't matter, I'll take it. Hi Mike!
What up though?
Anyways, we're going to be searching for some large, huge fish. 100-degree weather is right now, and we got super gusty winds. 50-kilometer gusts right now. You can see the trees are just blowing right behind me. I don't know what it's going to be like. Maybe the whitecaps will start coming in, but the water is clear. I'm really positive that we're going to get a really big fish today. Probably a sheephead. One of the nicest looking fish around. Anyways, let's start fishing. Maybe a sturgeon, bro.
But it wasn't a snag, like
yeah.
Rocks.
Yeah.
I could move it.
You can move it. Yeah, when you say you can move it. All right. Let's look for some big fish. Wow, it's windy. I got a bow on my line already.
Yeah.
Super bow.
What weight you using?
Huh?
What weight?
I'm using a 5/8. That's what I had on yesterday. I got to switch over to a 3/4 soon.
Yo. Hello? What up?
Oh, man. Nice and warm out. Really windy today, guys. Oh, already? Already?
Okay.
Wow. Wow, already? Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay, today is a great day. This is gonna be a freshwater drum, guys. A big one too at it. Oh man. These are pure brutes. I love them. Great fights. They should make these a tournament fish. I do not know why people think that they're a waste of time or but there is no way that this is a crap fish. There is no way. Like, no. But I'm just saying it's a sheephead. Like, I don't know why people call it a crap fish.
Bro, they should be a sport.
Yeah, a tournament fish, man.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, man, look at that. Look at that fight.
There's not many better
Bro,
fights.
I try to catch smallmouth. You want to go grab that net, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can use the other net if you like to also.
I like using my little.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I got you all day.
Appreciate it.
I got you all day.
You're the man. Oh. So you guys can see right there, I'm using that lime truce. Mike is such a nice man. You see him out in the water here.
Deal with the rest.
Yeah. He's gonna be one of those magic masters on the shoreline.
I'm that man today.
No, you're not. You're gonna be slaying fish.
God willing.
Jesus, that was fast.
That was fast.
That was 4 jigs into it.
Hangover?
Yeah, oh no, lime truce, lime truce.
I'm true.
Lime truce. So there you go, guys. Big ol' freshwater drum. I gotta say about, oh, I got my scale here too. Actually, we're not gonna weigh this one. This one's probably about 4 pounds.
I got a measuring tape, but I got
Yeah.
a scale.
All right, we got measuring tape, we got everything. All right, when we get the big ones, we'll do that. So I'm gonna let it go back in the water. Here you go. Yee!
What's the closest to lime truce? Because obviously I don't got lime
Hangover.
truce. Yeah, go with the
Right there, the hangover, bro. What are you doing? Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. That's the best weapon
I'm
you got.
learning, bro. I'm learning.
Oh, I can teach you another thing too. Before you do that, I like to tear a little bit off.
I do that when it starts to get a little chewed up.
My hand's a little slimy right now because that
I got
sheephead.
scissors.
But the reason why, because if you do like that,
Yeah.
it doesn't tear like at the beginning and make
Oh,
that.
okay,
You know what I'm
okay.
talking about?
Yep.
When the plastic just tears up.
For sure.
Yeah, it works better this way. There you go, my brother.
Word, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're gonna slay.
Let's do it. It was, and I was fucking fighting a sturgeon or a fucking snag for 15 minutes, and then it broke off. I'm convinced it was a fish, bro, because just the way, like,
Yeah.
after you have a
Oh my God! Another one,
another one,
bro.
and another one,
Jesus Christ!
like,
I didn't even hit the bottom that time.
that Biggie song, and another
Yeah,
one.
I didn't even hit the bottom that time. Jesus.
He's the master. He's
Jesus.
been down here less than 10 minutes, and his second fish.
2 casts, 2 fish. 2 casts, 2 fish.
Teach me the way, senpai.
I can't teach you luckiness, bro. I'm pretty lucky. I admit it. I'm very lucky.
You're humble.
I'm very lucky. I'll be truthful.
Bring that motherfucker here.
It's gonna be a big one, bro. I don't know what it is, man. I'm a fish magnet. It's coming. Oh, it's a nice.
It's a pretty decent size now.
Yeah?
It's a hog.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow! Whoa!
Thickness.
Jesus!
Jesus.
Jesus!
I give my net props.
Woo!
I give my net props.
Bro, if you're worried, you can use mine in that too.
I'm not worried.
Okay. I'm about to prop it against the rail though. Jeez. You think so?
I think so, down here.
Yeah? I don't even know how much that weighs. Let's weigh that. We'll find out the truth. Let's see if we can hook that on somewhere. We're gonna weigh this. What's that say?
6'2".
6'2"?
Yeah.
That's 6 pounds? Oh my God, I'm way off.
I thought it'd be way bigger.
All right, 6 pounds, 6 ounces right there. 6'6". You guys see that? 6'6" right there. I'm way off. That is in pounds. Okay, just making sure.
That wasn't in kilos.
Yeah. Well,
Starting.
there you guys go. 6 pounds, 6 ounces.
Cheers.
I thought it'd be bigger, but my guess was wrong. Pretty big still. I'm gonna let her go. Hey, back into the water you go. Get bigger. Call your grandpa. 10 pounder, please, next. Oh no!
No, it'll be okay. Just gotta get some air back in the gill.
Okay, yeah, there we go. There we go.
Good vibes.
There you go. Huh?
Yeah,
Finally. Took me a little bit, but
it hits quick, but it doesn't last long.
I know they're crazy right now. Power driving.
I was thinking they might not be biting because it's so hot.
No, man, the hotter the better for sheephead. And smallmouth too, bro. Wait, watch. And when July comes,
That's when we started fishing.
oh yeah, I catch crazy smallies. Awesome smallies. This is a good fight. No, it's not a huge one, but it's a fighter.
Same size as mine.
No, it's smaller than yours.
Oh yeah, it is.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Oh.
They met her this morning.
Same. It's the same. They just won't stop biting.
Okay.
Break the hook.
There you guys go. Another freshwater drum. Gotta be about 2 pounds there. I'm gonna get a guess now. I'm gonna undersize it.
Devilfish.
Another one.
Another shit.
Yeah, it's all kinds, sheepheads.
Another shit.
fighting pretty good, but it's not that big. I think the average size is probably like 2 or 3 pounds right now.
I was catching them all this size, but then every time I'd hook into a big one, snap, my line would just rip right away.
Yeah.
I can feel it too.
Yeah, it's spider wire.
Yeah.
There you go. That's a small sheep.
I lost like 4 jigs in like a half an hour, but all on fish.
Yeah.
So that's how I knew my line was garbage.
Oh, chartreuse ice.
Yeah. My line just kept
Nice little
splitting.
1 pound drum there.
A lot of big sheep.
They're a great fight. I think they should be a tournament fish, like I said. You never know what size you can get, but there's 20 pounders out here sometimes. Whew. Oh yeah. There it is, another one.
And another one.
Holy cow. Just can't keep them off my line right now. Damn.
You already hear that. Oh no! You might have broke your guide. Oh no, you're good.
You're good. Yeah. Keep that line away from this reel. Because if I wrap it up.
That's okay, I got you.
Yeah.
I'm watching it.
There we go. Alright. Damn, that's a big one. That's a bigger one, for sure.
Alright, an extra pound.
Alright,
Jesus.
just take a cast. Alright, I'll take a couple.
Wow, this one's a big one. Good fighter.
Oh, I'm blind. I don't have any sunglasses.
I know, eh?
I'm trying to track my line. I'm just looking out of the sun. I'll say you go whack.
Wow, this could probably be the hog of the day for me.
You got some big. Oh, the wobbles on it are freaking huge.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big old one.
Oh,
That's a big old one. I gotta weigh that on a scale for sure.
oh, you got a scale today?
Yeah, I brought the scale. I wanted to be sure. What do you think that is gonna weigh?
10 pounds.
I'm gonna say 7.
I'm gonna say 7.3.
Good guess. After seeing the first one, you got a tape measure too, right? Let's take the tape measure out.
Yeah, I don't.
We'll take the tape measure out too. So we're gonna do this all up for you guys. Let me take this. Oh, I got slapped in the face.
I didn't see a big one today, so that's why I'm like.
I got slapped in the face, bro. Oh man. Tail, tip, 20, 25.
Woo.
Let me show this on the video.
I'm gonna say, nah, I don't know.
25?
Video?
I wanna say like 8.
8.
Yeah.
Hold that end. Right
This
to the
end?
tail. Is that longer than the tail? Go right into the end of the tail. Oh, okay. So the tail. What do you got there? 26. All right, it's bigger than I thought. All right, 26 inches.
7, 8. I was the closest.
7.8 right there. 7.8. All right. You want to take a pose with that thing for me? So that's the fish I just caught right there, Brandon. All right, let's chuck this thing back in the water. Thank you, Brandon,
Yep.
the master handler. Ta-da! Oh man, another one. Wow.
Oh, marijuana cigarettes.
So much fish in the river right now. It's all sheephead.
Man, Lamb caught the fucking biggest sucker ever earlier, dude.
Yeah.
He didn't even want to keep it.
Damn,
You should fucking keep that thing, man.
damn.
It was so big.
No, it's probably like 3 pounds, 4 pounds. Just a good fighter.
Whoa. Yeah, it's probably like a 4-pounder.
There you go. Another one.
Another
Man, this one's fat, eh? It's pregnant still.
Another one.
Another one. All right, back in the water it goes. Quick and simple release. No touchy. That's right, Brandon. No touchy. Don't get you don't want to get sheephead slime.
Except for when it's a monster.
Oh, that's a monster sheephead. That's a monster. You want me to get the net?
Sturgeon.
Hey Mike, you want me to
The
get the
big
net?
net.
I should get the net for him, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta go swimming for it.
Oh yeah, pick a color that you feel good with. Oh my god, another one. I'm jigging it normal. I'm just jigging it normal. But I'm not casting it that far. They're all against the edge right here. Look at this. I'm already in. They're right against the edge. Man, there's so much fish right now. You can tell I did that a lot of times.
For sure.
It's like they did that pretty quick. Smallmouth bass fishing. Another sheeperd. You know, and this would taste good with. Never mind. There it is. Yep. Oh, big waves. Big waves. This is not going to be a big fish, but
Pretty big.
word. Good for a final fish, though. Oh, thank you. Catch and release. There you guys go.
Get the fuck out!
Bye-bye.
Oh man, he just wants to stay.
That's out. Alright. Alright guys, gonna end my day there. That was an amazing, just regular fishing day there. Decided to jig, used all different kinds of colors, chartreuse ice, the hangover, a few other ones, but there was so many sheephead. Ah, Zelton! Zelton, we're heading home, bro. I caught all sheepheads. So I'm gonna end it right there. Anyways, guys, you see Z out there. He's about to go on his lay while we're going home. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.